वाह उस्ताद वाह, वो कभी हम भूल नहीं पाएंगे। सिर्फ भारत नहीं, आज पूरी दुनिया ने एक महान कलाकार को खोया है।
वाह उस्ताद।
अरे हुजूर वाह ताज बोलिए।
Tabla Maestro Zakir Hussain, 73, passed away in San Francisco due to idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, his family confirmed. A legendary musician, Hussain leaves behind a profound legacy cherished globally. He is survived by his wife Antonia Minicola, daughters Anisa and Isabella, his brothers Tawfiq and Fazal Qureshi, and sister Khurshid Aulia. His family requested privacy, noting his lifelong dedication as a teacher, mentor, and cultural ambassador. Born on March 9, 1951 in Mumbai to Tabla virtuoso Ustad Hussain, displayed prodigious talent from an early age, performing by age 12. He collaborated with Indian classical legends like Ravi Shankar, Ali Akbar Khan, and Shiv Kumar Sharma, and introduced Indian music to global audiences through partnerships with artists like the Beatles, Yo-Yo Ma, and John McLaughlin. Hussain co-founded iconic groups such as Shakti, Remember Shakti, Planet Drum, and Sangam, earning acclaim for bridging genres with his rhythm mastery. His contributions include Grammy-winning collaborations, notably with Mickey Hart for Planet Drum, and 3 Grammys in 2024, making him the first Indian to achieve this feat in one night. His accolades include India's Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, the Sangeet Natak Academy Award, and the National Heritage Fellowship from the US. In 2022, he received the Aga Khan Award for his unparalleled impact on music and society. Hussain's innovative spirit and profound artistry established him as a global cultural ambassador, inspiring generations and elevating Indian classical music on the world stage. His passing marks the end of an era, leaving an indelible mark on the world of music.